बरखा तेरा बर्थडे आया, बरखा तेरा बर्थडे आया, बरखा तेरा बर्थडे आया, बरखा तेरा बर्थडे आया। लॉकडाउन के बाद, लॉकडाउन के बाद, लॉकडाउन के बाद तेरे पैसे का पहले तेरा ही बैंक जाएंगे, बरखा तेरा बर्थडे आया। Hey Barkha, we've shared the most amazing times together and I hope your birthday is an amazing fun and I wish you all the good luck.
Hey Barkha, have a awesome, super duper birthday. Many happy returns of the day. And here you go, only for you. I'm taking the chair behind. Bura mat manna yaar.
Hi Barkha. From the time in school days when Philip sir commented, Barkha is always singing and dancing in class to your loud and confident rendering and dancing to Injun Ki Seeti Mein Maro Dil Dole to till date. The more candles you blow, the more your enthusiasm in life seems to be on the uphill. Keep up the spirit. May the shine in you always stay alive. Happy birthday. Cheers to you. May your day shine as bright as you are. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Barkha. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a very rocking birthday, Barkha. Enjoy. Have fun. I'm also celebrating your birthday with a little bit tent party outside. Have fun, girl. Take care. Be always the same. Cool. Bye.
ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई, रस के फुहार लाई, अखियों में प्यार लाई, ओ सजना।
Hey Barkha, happy birthday to you. Hope you have a very nice day and a very nice year. Please wish for a lot of freedom for everybody and yourself too. And thanks for inspiring us all the time.
Hey Barkha, it's raining here today. It also must have rained when you were born. Happy birthday to you. You're such a special friend who deserves a special day. You make us smile, you make us laugh with everything you do. So today, we all are gathered to send a special gift to you. Once again, happy birthday, Miss Rain.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Barkha. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, Barkha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Barkha, many happy returns of the day. May your birthday be filled with laughter and love. All the best and have a fabulous birthday. Love you dear.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, सौ दुआएं मेरा हाजिर तुमको आज के दिन। I wish you happy birthday.
Hey Barkha, Barkha means rain, monsoon, right? Look at the setting, a perfect one. So it's your birthday and I'm going to sing and dance for you, right? With my disco class. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Barkha. Happy birthday to you. Have a great day and a wonderful year ahead. May all your dreams come true.
Hey Barkha, happiest birthday to you. To the one who's strong, independent and bold. All the best.
Hi Barkha, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. May all your dreams and wishes come true. Like it has been a really long friendship, we can say. Passed out in 91 and now it's 2020. So I'm counting the years, like it's literally 29 years. Long years. Still we all are connected. All our Indian Online School friends are connected. That itself shows our bond. Just love everyone. Stay blessed. You are the heart of our group. So always keep, glowing like a sun always. Love you all. Thank you. Take care, Barkha. Bye. Enjoy your day. After the coronavirus period is over, we're going to have a blast, I guess. Till then, enjoy yourself. Take care. Bye.
Action.
Hi Barkha, wish you a very happy birthday. I sincerely hope that this lockdown birthday of yours is a memorable one and you enjoy it to the fullest. I've known you for some time, Barkha, now, and I know you as somebody who's very confident and somebody who believes in herself and is in a very happy space. Our fondest memories are of course the bike rides that we would have from home to office and office to home, and the loads of fun that we would have during those rides. Once again, I would want to wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy yourself and have a great super duper day. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay safe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Barkha. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day, Barkha.
You many happy reasons of the day. Have a great day. Have a good life. May God bless you with a lot of happiness, joy, and good health. Remembering our days together, we used to celebrate with a sandwich treat or sometimes at home with families, but it was a lovely time that we used to spend with each other, and being with for each other was something that we will always remember as growing up as kids, how we were really disappointed when you didn't get admission in Canossa Convent. Sangeeta and me were very disappointed, and the days which we used to play together, walk around Sher Punjab together, and we called it Tridev, and any one of us was missing, and it was like, where's the third person gone? And I mean, it was noted as the Tridev had to be together. And things like when uncle and auntie were not around in town, we would come over to your place and you would make this sweet called rabdi. Yeah, I remember rabdi. And I would always say I'm on diet, but I would sit on the platform and go on tasting it and eating it, and probably finish most of it. Those were some of the beautiful memories that I still share and remember and cherish. Things like, another beautiful memory was coming for Didi's birthday, wedding to Lucknow, and how I was enjoyed myself over there, being a part of all the family rituals and things like that. And you and I studying together, especially commerce, where we would try to help each other. These are some of the beautiful memories. We'll cherish them always, and God bless.
Hi Barkha, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Cheers and happy birthday to you.
Hi Barfi, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year and stay blessed always. Just as the name I have given you, Barfi, you are really very sweet, and you have always been a sport to get the whole group together, may it be any event, may it be a video, or may it be a picnic, or may it be a reunion. You have always organized everything wonderfully, and that's a great part about you. And keep doing this always for all of us, so that the bond that we share grows and we all stay blessed together always. Have a great year ahead. Bye-bye.
Hi Barkha, good morning and wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you with the best in the world, as you deserve one. Stay blessed.
Hi Barkha, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lots of happiness, strength and success. Hope to see you soon. You enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye. See you.
Hey birthday girl, happy birthday to you. Wishing you lots and lots of happiness, good health and fun, and wishing you all blessings. Barkha, you are the thread which binded us back to our school days. In spite of we leaving our school long back, you are the one which brought us all together, and you gave us immense happiness in each one of our lives by bringing all my school buddies together. Thanks a lot, sweetheart.
Hey Barkha, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा awesome है यार. Wish you a very happy birthday.
I know the last couple of months must have been really, really tough, huh? I've heard of how much you've been working and stressed out. Just chill, yeah. I hope you have a great time. And, I'm really glad that Ayushi got us all together to do this little message for you. चल अगली बार मिलेंगे तब और ज़्यादा धमाल करेंगे. Bye-bye.
Hey Barkha, wish you a very, very happy birthday. Love you so much. You know, one thing that I will cherish in our relationship is that even though you have that broken leg, you would wait for me, walk hand in hand to the tuitions. I'll cherish that all my life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.